Hi friends, welcome to Size Kitchen. Today I show you how to make dry mackerel curry with drumsticks and brinjal. So let's start. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Here I have half medium size grated coconut, half teaspoon jeera cumin seeds, half teaspoon turmeric powder, haldi powder, 3 cloves of garlic, 10 pieces of dry red chilies. You can add more or less according to spiciness you prefer. Small bowl of tamarind, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds. Here I have small piece of ginger cut into strips, 1 medium size brinjal cut into pieces, 4 green chili slit, 4 petals of kokum and drumsticks. Here I have dry mackerel fish which I have cleaned and washed. Add salt as per your taste and water as required. Now we'll add all these ingredients into a mixer grinder. Add water as required and now we'll grind this. Our grounded masala is ready. Now we'll add the grounded masala to the pan. Add water as required. Now we'll add the slit chilies and kokum petals. And we will cook this on a medium flame till one boil comes. Now we will add the drumsticks, brinjal, and ginger. And now we will cook this on a medium flame for 7 to 8 minutes. Now we'll add the dried mackerels. Add salt as per your taste. Give it a good mix. And now we'll cook this on a medium flame for 7 to 8 minutes. Our curry is done. Our dry mackerel curry with brinjal and drumsticks is ready. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.